Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. So in the previous videos, we have already understood the basics of Microsoft Excel and worksheet fundamentals. In this video, we are going to learn how to work with data inside Excel along with some very useful shortcuts that will help you work faster and more efficiently. Now, let's say I already have some data entered inside my worksheet. If I start typing directly inside a cell, the existing data in that cell will get replaced. However, if I only want to edit a part of the data, I can either double click on the cell or edit the content from the formula bar. This allows me to make changes without deleting the entire content. Now, Excel mainly works with three types of data. The first type is text, which includes name, headings, and labels. The second type is numerical data, such as marks, salary, or quantities. And the third type is which is used to perform calculations. Whenever we use a formula, Excel shows the final result in the cell, while the actual formula is visible in the formula bar. By default, Excel applies the general format to the data, but we can change the format based on our requirement, such as number, currency, date, or time. Now, let's understand how to cut, copy, and paste data in Excel. We can do this using the ribbon by right-clicking or by using keyboard shortcuts. The shortcut for copy is Ctrl plus C, the shortcut for cut is Ctrl plus X, and shortcut for paste is Ctrl plus V. Cut moves the data from one location to another. Copy creates a duplicate of the same data. If you want to cancel a cut or a copy action, you can simply press Escape key. Now, I want to share a small habit that business consultants always follow while working in Excel. Whenever they open a new Excel file, they never scroll through data row by row. Instead, they use controls along with the arrow keys. Control plus down arrow, control plus right arrow, control plus up arrow, and control plus left arrow. This helps them instantly understand how big the dataset is, where it starts, where it ends, and whether there are any blank rows. Now, when we are working with large datasets, shortcuts become extremely useful. If I press Ctrl and use the arrow key, Excel directly takes me to the last filled cell in that direction. If I use Shift along with arrow key, Excel selects data step by step. And if I use Control Shift and arrow key, Excel selects the entire data range instantly. Now, let's talk about saving our work. It is always a good practice to save files regularly. The shortcut to save the file is Ctrl plus S. Save updates the same file, while Save As creates a new copy of the workbook. Excel also allows us to protect our workbook using a password. This helps prevent unauthorized access to important files. Lastly, before printing any worksheet, it is important to check how the data will appear on paper. We can use Print Preview and Page Layout View to ensure everything is aligned and properly. These are small things, but they make a big difference when you start working on real Excel projects. In the next video, we will start learning about formatting in Excel and how to make your sheets look clean and professional. Thank you for watching.